Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify store full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Click on Create your store to proceed. Next, you will be directed to a series of questions. These questions help Shopify tailor your experience. You can select whether you are already selling or just starting. After answering, click Next. On the next page, fill in your address details. This information is necessary for setting up payments and shipping. Click Enter My Store to access the Shopify dashboard. You will see a welcome screen with resources and tutorials. First, let's add products to your store. Click on Products in the left sidebar. Then click that Add Product button. Fill in the product title, description, and images. Set the price and inventory details. Once you've added all the product information, click Save. Now, it's time to customize your store's appearance. Click on Online Store in the left sidebar. Then click on Themes. Browse through the available themes and choose one you like. Click on Customize to edit your selected theme. Use the customization options to adjust your store's layout, colors, and fonts. After designing your store, go back to the dashboard. Next, set up payment options by selecting Settings at the bottom. Click on Payments to configure your payment methods. Choose the payment processors you want to enable, like Shopify Payments or PayPal. Follow the prompts to integrate your chosen payment methods. After setting up payments, configure your shipping settings. Click on Settings, then select Shipping and Delivery. Customize your shipping zones and rates according to your business needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.